Well, let me show you this Royal Worcester Royal Garden Design sugar bowl. It's the dot and dash version, and by that we mean 2 lines of gilt with the triple dots in the lineage there. Pink and white cabbage roses, beautifully decorated, rich, thick gilt banding on the inner and outer upper rims, slightly flared as you can see, but otherwise quite straightforward contemporary design. It's got 1969 copyright Royal Worcester marks on the base, as you can see there in red, Royal Garden being the design, so nicely marked, no misunderstanding in terms of what it is, and it's in absolute mint condition, no condition notes on this one at all. The glaze, the gilt, the inner walls, everything absolutely pristine, as you would expect for a very nice piece of period Royal Worcester Royal Garden porcelain sugar bowl. We'll pop a link in the description below taking you through to the Vintage and Antiques website, and it's going on sale there this afternoon. Thanks for watching.